And still on deplorable road conditions now, students sitting the Caribbean Examination Council CXC exams had a nervous day in Clarendon as taxi drivers who operate the Frankfield to Spalding route withdrew their services. The motorists are calling for repairs to the roadway.
At first glance, it appears a river had been interrupted by small chunks of asphalt. But this rugged terrain with water coursing through is actually the main road linking Frankfield to Spalding in the northeastern section of Clarendon. The residents and motorists have tried to help themselves, packing potholes with stones to provide a smoother ride. But on Monday, they had enough.
And we try our best, but it really overflow right now and we don't think we can go much further. You understand? So we need irrelevant people them to step forward and give a helping hand because it can go continue. If we not see no justice, we have to just withdraw our service because it not work out.
We have no road, no drain. You can't drive and not fall in a pothole. So we need something to be done. We can't be spending thousands of dollars every day. I bought over $100,000 worth of parts the other day. And right now I have to go and replace all of them again. So we need something to be done.
No road, no fix. And when the liquor election come other day, then come patch one liquor. One more couple of hole, then patch up the stuff. And the man talk about him fix hole, you know, fix no road there.
The impact of the taxi drivers withdrawing their services was very telling on students, especially those at Edwin Allen High. Many of them are doing exams. 5 exams were administered Monday, including chemistry, French, visual arts, and religious education.
Right now, students are stranded in Spalding, can't come down, and we have exam going on. We can't look it is too much on us right now. We are frustrated and we need help.
I would have asked the relevant authority to them, we have begged them. Even for the sake of the people we are going to do CXC time now, you know. I remember CXC is something I have to do. You understand me? I say? So even for the sake of them, they want to do something. If I hit the bad spot them. You understand me? I say, and you see the GNM. The GNM are one of the most essential things right now. You see them clean the GNM. It wasn't that bad. You understand me? I say?
We were unable to get an official comment from the leadership of the Edwin Allen High School, but we were told a bus was dispatched to assist in transporting stranded students to school so they could sit their exams. Police also kept a watch over the protest action, which remained peaceful. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.